How to run two WhatsApp accounts without any app. For those of you who want to use two WhatsApp accounts with separate numbers, this video is for you. To get two WhatsApp installed on your phone without any app, whether you're an iPhone user or Android user, first you have to navigate to your Play Store or App Store. In my case, I'm going to click on this Play Store. Then the search bar, I'm going to first click in the search bar and type WhatsApp. Make sure to pick the one with this best match and make sure your WhatsApp is properly installed. In my case, I already have the WhatsApp installed. All I have to do is to update it. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. This is gonna take a little bit of time depending on your network. Now we have properly installed our WhatsApp Messenger, so you can proceed to tap on open. In my case, I'm gonna continue to click on agree and continue. Then make sure to enter the relevant phone number that you wanna use. After that, continue to click on next. So you'll be prompted whether this is your correct number. Make sure to click on yes. So an automatic SMS code will be sent via your phone for your confirmation. So make sure to click on continue. So in this case, we're gonna continue to verify our phone number. So this is gonna take a little bit of time depending on your network. Now I have successfully verified my phone, so all I have to do is to make sure I entered my correct name here, then continue to click on next again. Then I'll skip this process. I'll make it up subsequently. So this is just a way to show you it's possible to use two WhatsApp on your phone without any app. This is the phase when it's initializing our WhatsApp to set up the interface and the various things that I've already backed up on my WhatsApp app. So make sure to wait patiently for everything to be done here. Congratulations, you have successfully landed on your first WhatsApp. So now we're gonna add another WhatsApp that we want to install on this same device. So all we have to do is to minimize this one and then continue to click on our Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, so this time we're gonna add business to the WhatsApp. So make sure to click on the first one with this best match. In my case, I've already installed it, but I'm gonna need to update it. So make sure to install yours. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Depending on your network, it's gonna take a bit of time. But this feature is very important for those who want to run two separate WhatsApp without using any app. As you can see, it has already finished updating. Just left with the installation stage, where this is bringing on new features that WhatsApp has currently rolled out. If you want to see more videos like this on the tips and tricks on your WhatsApp app and how you can make the best out of it, make sure to subscribe to this channel, as it's going to help you with a lot of things to get to know. But now that we are done with installing it, all you have to do is to continue to click on open, and this time I've already signed in with my contact here. It's a WhatsApp that I'm already using on this phone, so you can see this WhatsApp is already fully pledged. So in order to confirm whether I'm using two WhatsApps on my phone, all I will have to do is to move out of this interface. You will see with the first one I've installed is already here, so I can proceed to click on it, which has landed me to the WhatsApp interface that I'm using. And with the second one, when I minimize this and continue to click on that business, you can also see it has landed me on this interface. All this is possible without any third-party app. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.